power, technology, and value come together with the Oster Versa High Performance Blender. The Oster Versa blender harnesses the power of multiple appliances in one awesome mega machine. With its ample power, the Oster Versa blender extracts more of the life-enriching nutrients in your favorite fruits, veggies, nuts, and more for fresh, healthy foods your whole family will love. The Versa patented dual-direction blade technology ensures the total extraction of food's vital elements while delivering perfect food processing every time. And our durable all-metal drive is guaranteed for life. Plus, a top-to-bottom 7-year customer satisfaction guarantee provides long-lasting confidence and worry-free operation. The perfect blend of power, technology, and performance, all in one incredibly versatile appliance. Get one today and get more goodness from your food.
Why blend tech? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are. And people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives. From helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.